Hello viewers, welcome to Stock Market Tips channel. In today's video, we are going to see the performance of the stock given yesterday and the watch list you have to get ready for today. The first stock was ICICI Prudential. Now here the stock was initiated on the sell side, and as per our rules and regulations, we should not enter immediately after the levels are broken. We have to wait for a confirmation candle. So after confirmation, if you have entered at 402, the target one of 393 would have been achieved. Then the second one was Reliance. Reliance again was initiated on the sell side, and if you have taken at the level 2204, you can book your profit at 2185. The next stock was Titan. So Titan was clearly a range bound yesterday. You can see from the charts, the candles were moving up and down, not on either on the buy side or sell side. However, later after few hours, there was a spike on the buy side. However, our levels were not reached, so we should not trade. Next one is SRF. SRF also experienced the same situation like Titan. It was range bound, neither triggering on the buy side or sell side. So it's better you avoid these kind of trades. However, these stocks, if the levels are crossed today or the next day, you can initiate your call following our rules and regulations. So for today's stock, you can see Alchem. Though Alchem seemed to have a huge sellers yesterday, it does not confirm we are going to have the sell side. If the levels 3143 is crossed, you can wait for 3166 and 3194. Later, if the sell side is initiated, you can make your entry after 3089 and then wait for 3063 and 3026. The second stock for the day is LTI Mindtree. So Mindtree is a huge price stock, so the volatility will be high, either giving you the target or the stop loss. So confirm with the volume, fix on to the rules and regulations, and then initiate this call. So here, if the levels 4706 is broken, you can reach a target of 4762, later 4832. If sell side is triggered, wait for the entry after 4562, and then you can get your target at 4502 and then 4444. The last one is Bharati Airtel. So Bharati Airtel got a lot of news this week. You can see our chart gives a buy side level at 759, for targets 767 and then 774. If the sell side is initiated after 749, you can make your sell order and wait for targets at 741 and 733. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you a good luck.